on page 1, she identified the phrase on an empty bench, and empty is the adjective that describes the bench, and like she said, it helps the reader create a mental picture, and I agree with that. It lets the reader know that no one else was sitting on the bench. And then on page 5, I didn't catch on to this. I just didn't pay attention that this was a run-on sentence. What stood out to me, though, that she didn't say, but she probably noticed it, she just didn't write it, that it had a simile in it, and it compared her eyes to two cats' eyes using the word like. And I think the run-on sentence and the examples of the short sentences, like she said, it helps like draw the reader's attention, and I think that affects like the tone of the story while the reader is reading it, because short sentences and run-on sentences tend to stick out more. And overall, she did a great job.